Sanjay Dutt, I was working on Sadak 2. Briefly again with Akin Arula, and I would say he is one of the best persons to work with. आप अपने family के पास ही जा रहे हैं काम करने के लिए. So that was my experience with him. I was honestly, it's a funny story because I was really scared of him. And suddenly having that person in front of you, I was so scared to even go and interact with him. And then he just cracked me up by saying, मैं भी हाफ हूँ. कार्तिक के साथ मेरी जर्नी आई थिंक स्टार्टेड at Luka Chupi. I was team styling then, and I was taking care of his garments for the movie Luka Chupi. And I would say he is one of the best persons to work with. वो एक ऐसे एक्टर हैं जो अपनी पूरी टीम को साथ लेके चलते हैं and अपनी पूरी टीम की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, and it's a beautiful environment. It seems that आप अपने फैमिली के पास ही जा रहे हैं काम करने के लिए. So that was my experience with him. Sanjay Dutt, I was working on Sadak 2. Briefly again with Akin Arula, and I was honestly, it's a funny story because I was really scared of him because he's also like this. He's this actor whose stature is bigger than anything, you know. Again, I have grown up watching him. I have loved his movies, like from Sergeant to Munna Bhai MBBS. And suddenly having that person in front of you, I was so scared to even go and interact with him. And that's when his manager took me to him and he was like, hey, she's from costumes. And I said, hi. And he turned around and he said, because my Hindi is not that fluent. And he just asked me like, where are you from? And I told him I'm half, and I'm half Mongolian, I'm half Indian. And then he just cracked me up by saying, मैं भी half हूँ. Because he also belongs to two different, I think his parents come from two different backgrounds. And that's where we sort of like, it just broke the ice and I was not scared suddenly. So yeah, and he's such a beautiful person to work with. Like, he has some different charisma, I have to say. And Milind, again, we were shooting for a cover for Z Zest, magazine cover tha, और हम Maldives में shoot कर रहे थे. And his wife was also along with him. And again, Milind Suman is someone who I've really loved because, like I said, मुझे Bollywood और fashion दोनों पसंद है. And he is the only living supermodel from our country. So again, amazing moment. And he's someone who just carries everything so nicely. So for a stylist, एक blessing हो जाती है when you have someone so good to style. And his wife and me, I can safely again say, are friends today. सिर्फ हमने काम नहीं किया because Maldives था, shoot के बाद you have the whole night, you know, so the whole crew sat together and Milind ka birthday bhi tha in that same span. So we celebrated the birthday together. Early morning हम shoot से पहले उठ के running के लिए गए हैं because we all know he and his wife are have been running and they are so fit. They also promote fitness everywhere, and I am someone who has run marathons, and I've always been this girl who was involved with sports. So it was again amazing. And Randeep, I think I shot with him for a personal shoot that he wanted to curate. And again, same thing, he was very chill. He's again someone who carries everything flawlessly. So, and very approachable. He also was like made me very comfortable, where he was like, okay, where do you live? What do? Do you think this is nice? He's also someone who considers, you know, जब आप style कर रहे हैं, it's a teamwork. It's not just him taking decisions, or like he wants to know where are you coming from, what is your choice in terms of all the options. So I think all of them were really great. Yeah.